Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Real GPL. Thank you very much for being our valued customer. Today I am going to talk about Uncode theme. So let me search for it first. Once searched, you have to download it if you have already bought it. Otherwise, you need to buy it first. I have given the link in the description. From there you can buy. So I'm going to click on download Uncode theme. This will download the theme for us. Okay, I'm saving it in the video folder. Okay, so download is almost completed. I am going inside the folder. Let me check the content. If we have zip inside GPS, we have another zip inside. So I am going to unzip it first to get the right file that needs to be installed. So we got Uncode folder actually. Inside that we are having Uncode parent and Uncode child theme. Plus we have some plugins which are required for this theme. So let's go to our WordPress. Go to theme section, then click on add new. Now click on upload theme, click on choose file, select Uncode parent theme first. Then click on open, then click on install now. Once Uncode parent is installed, we will not activate that. We'll install the child theme, then we'll activate the child theme only. So the parent theme is installed. Let me click on themes, click on add new, click on upload, click on choose file, and then select Uncode child, then click on open, and then click on install now. Once installed, just click on activate to activate the Uncode child theme. Now we have to install the required plugins. So just click on begin installing plugins. Select each and everything, and then from bulk action choose install, then click on apply. This will install all the required plugins. So now I'm going back to the plugin installer. I will select each and everything, and I will click on activate, click on apply. So few plugins are still left which are not installed yet, which is Uncode privacy, Uncode wireframe, Revolution slider, WP bakery, and visual composer, WP bakery clipboard. So let me duplicate this tab as a reference, and I'm going to plugin section. Then I will click on add new, and we'll install these plugins manually. So click on upload, click on choose file, go to the respective folder, the plugins folder, and then start with Rev slider, which is basically slider revolution. So click on install now. Now what we are doing, we are installing these plugins which are required, okay, before installing the demo. So let me install them one by one. So this is the last plugin which I'm installing right now, which is VC Clipboard 458. So these are the 5 plugins which were not installed automatically. So I have installed all of them. I can show you, like this is the slider revolution, this is Uncode wireframe, this is Uncode privacy, this is Uncode WP bakery page builder, and then the clipboard one. So all is installed. Let me refresh it once again just to see if they are still coming here. No, they are not coming. They are asking for one update, which I will not do right now. So let me just click on import demo section. Okay, and from here just click on import demo, click on confirm, and you can see now the demo is getting installed. So while it is in progress, I would like to show you something, and that is, if you have not joined our membership plans, you must join that. Because let's say if you're joining Super Saver membership, which is for 6 months, so in that case you have to pay just $24, and you can download 10 products per day. That is for 6 months. So in 6 months you can download up to 1800 products, man, which is amazing, in just $24. And other than that, we are also offering lifetime deals where you can get original developer license, and that too for a lifetime duration in a very simple, very low cost. So you must check it out. We have given the link of this in the description. We're offering Astra Premium, Gendered Press, Affiliate Booster, Schema Pro, Astra Pro, Block Sky, DV, Ocean WP, Breezy, Themify themes, all products. So make sure to check it out. Now let's go back to the demo section. See, the import is completed. So let me go and refresh my website in a new tab, or open it in a new tab just to check if everything is imported as expected. Yes, you can see like each and everything is imported properly. This has imported all the demos. So if you want to choose any one of them, just go to your dashboard, then go to settings and go to permalinks first, and set your permalink as post name. Click on save changes. Once done, next thing is just go to reading setting, and from here choose actually right now it's index. Choose a home page which you want. So right now let me choose let's say I want which one. Let me say creative digital agency, okay, which is a good demo I think. So I'm clicking on this and I'm saving it. So right now creative digital agency is my main home page. So let me open, or let me just go and refresh my home page once again. You will see that the digital marketing demo will come up. So this is really a very good theme and having a lot of good features. And one thing, images are not coming because they are subjected to copyright, so you have to use your own images. So I hope you got the clear idea, like if you have to buy, install and import demo for Uncode theme, then how you can do that. I will see you in the next tutorial. Till then, enjoy your day and make sure to check our lifetime deals and membership plans. Thank you very much.